Watch lists let you group and monitor symbols. You can access watch list functions from the sidebar, the MarketWatch Quotes sub-tab, or any detached watch list gadget window. To create or modify from a watch list gadget, you'll always use the watch list name dropdown. To create or modify a watch list from the MarketWatch Quotes sub-tab, you will always use the hamburger icon to access the functions. From these main menus, you can create a new watch list or scan query. You can import symbols, edit, or share the currently active watch list. You can share, delete, or edit other watch lists by using the drop-downs in the subsections on the main menu. Importing symbols can only be done with the currently loaded watch list in the gadget or when creating a new watch list. You can import symbols from the clipboard or import from CSV or text files. Be careful with the Insert Symbols option though. Replace current symbols will delete all existing symbols in that watch list and replace them with the imported ones. Add to current symbols keeps your existing symbols and adds the new ones to the list. When creating or editing a watch list, click the empty cell at the bottom of the symbol column, type a symbol, and press Enter to add symbols. To remove a symbol, click it, press Delete, and press Enter. To sort your watch list, click the column header. An up arrow appears for ascending order. Click again for descending. Click a third time to remove sorting. To customize columns, right-click any column header and select Customize. Available items on the left shows all options. Current set on the right shows your active columns. Add or remove items until you have what you want to see. Reorder the column layers from top to bottom as you want them to appear from left to right in the watch list. Click OK to save.